Welcome back to English Unleashed. In episode 3, we talked about real-time conversation, responding quickly, using reaction phrases, and getting comfortable with silence. Today, we are going back to the building blocks of everything we've discussed, vocabulary. But not just any vocabulary, we are talking about learning words the smart way, so they actually show up when you speak. Let's start with a common mistake. Many learners memorize long lists of words with no context, word number 1, word number 2, word number 3. A week later, most of it is gone. That's because your brain doesn't hold onto information well when it has no connection to real use. So here's your first tip: learn words in context, not isolation. Instead of memorizing abundant on its own, read a sentence that uses it. The garden had an abundant harvest this year. Context gives the word a home in your memory, making it far easier to recall later. Second tip: prioritize high-frequency words. You don't need every word in the dictionary. Around 2,000 common words cover the vast majority of everyday English conversation. Focus your energy there before chasing rare or advanced vocabulary that you'll rarely use. Third tip: learn words in groups, not randomly. If you're learning confident, also learn related words like confidence, confidently, and self-assured. This builds a small network in your brain, so remembering one word helps you recall the others too. Fourth tip: attach a personal example to every new word. Instead of just knowing the definition of stubborn, think of someone in your life who is stubborn and make a sentence about them. Personal connection makes vocabulary stick far better than a dictionary definition ever will. Fifth tip: review with spaced repetition. Learning a word once isn't enough. You need to see it again after a day, then a week, then a month. This spacing is what moves a word from short-term memory into long-term, permanent vocabulary. Sixth tip: use new words within 24 hours. If you learn a word today, but don't use it until next month, it fades fast. Try to fit it into a sentence, a conversation, or even a text message the same day you learn it. Fast use locks it in. Let's try an example. Say you just learned the word overwhelmed. Don't just write the definition, use it immediately. I felt overwhelmed with work this week, so I made a simple to-do list to manage it. Notice how the word now carries real meaning tied to your own life. That's how vocabulary grows the smart way, not through long lists, but through context, connection, and quick, personal use. Next episode, we'll talk about pronunciation, how to sound clearer and more natural, even with your own accent. Until then, keep learning words that matter, and keep unleashing your English. Thanks for listening to English Unleashed. See you next time.